Hello.
Hello, madlang people! Kasama ko si Arya
So we're gonna eat
sa
Sundays.
Jollibee! Bakit ang bagal mo? At si Arya
Girl,
pala ay
nakabidyo talaga
kaibigan
ako.
ko. So, each tayo mag-get ng order. Hello! Welcome to Jollibee! May I take your order? Okay, ano yung bibilhin ko? Isang
Can you
burger.
just take the food from the counter?
I'm gonna add this.
Take your order. What to bibili ko? I can't see the menu.
Ooh, I want to buy.
Yum burger.
Uy! I also wanna buy. Wait, I wanna
Ako na
buy
din
this.
gusto. Yum spaghetti.
I want to buy this. And I'm gonna go back. And which one should I buy?
So many fries. Large fries.
Okay, please wait for your order. Thank you. I'm already done. I'm already done ordering. We need to please to seat.
Okay, please with your order. Thank you.
Arya, let's sit together. Wait. Arya, I'm gonna sit together. Come on, be fat. You go sit there. Oh, wait lang. Ready na order ko. Salamat po. Ang dami kong in-order.
Ako din.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. May 6 ako na order.
Okay na.
I'm gonna put my there.
Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait, 10 sa'yo.
Yun na see.
Ang dami ko talagang in-order. Hindi ako naglalay.
Wag ko muna may Sprite ako. May Royal ako. May Coke Fruit ako. May large fries ako. May large fries ako. May large fries ako. May large fries ako. Jolly spaghetti.
Kain na tayo. Halika na. Wait.
Wait. Face and eat.
May lalagay pa ako. Ang dami ko pang lalagay, be.
Lang, kakainin ko muna.
Hindi na kasya yung table. Hindi na talaga kasya
kakainin ko
yung
muna yung
table.
burger ko para mawala. Wait lang.
Hoy, don't eat my food. Arya!
That's my food! Dami!
Oh, sorry guys. Like, nag-aaway yung mga kaibigan din.
Kung enough ko na kasi I'm so laggy.
Why are you laggy? We're making
Because
a
I was
video for our You won't even post it.
Let me video it. I'm gonna post it on TikTok.
Well, it
So
won't be
don't
so
talk.
long.
So don't talk. Lang. Maingay kasi. Wow, but hello people, kumakain ako na sa Jollibee.
Kanina pa tayo kumakain, be.
Okay, tumahimik ka na.
Wow. Don't eat my, Arya, don't eat my other food. Ang dami mo talagang in-order.
Kung yung fries ko, hindi ko makuha yan. Large fries, eat ko.
I want to eat my
Ayan, ang
chicken.
sarap.
Masarap ba yung pagkain mo?
Mag-order ulit kami kasi nagugutom kami dito sa Roblox. But sa totoo na real life, nagugutom pa rin ako.
Arya, don't say that to people. We're eating.
Diba? At kanina, kumain ako ng Coke Crunch.
Para sa mga Pilipino na tao, salamat na nanood. Salamat din sa 200.
Follow lang.
At salamat din sa
reveal ako.
Salamat sa
If I get 1 million likes. So sana hindi ako makaka-face reveal.
I already face reveal with my Oh, you need to grab your fries so you could eat it.
Yeah. So, pag gusto niya ako mag-face reveal, 1 million likes muna. At follows.
I already
Follows
know.
20K.
We met in
Likes.
real life actually.
Heart. 1 million.
I'm still eating my fries. How about you?
Ano drink?
Paano mo ininom yung drink?
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko naiinom.
Anong level ka na?
Level 4.
Ako level 5.
Ay, level 4 pa nga ako. Kuya, yung kumain.
You need to click
Ayan.
on it.
You need to click, you need to click eat. Oh, you can drink your drinks.
Paano?
Just click eat and you can drink it.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
Kain lang kami.
So,
Kahit
madlang
natatapon na yung
people,
Coke,
Arya will get a face reveal at 100 million, no?
No! 1 million. Wag, 10K na lang, tapos 20K followers.
Sige. So guys, make sure to
Tapos gusto niya din
make sure to
mag-face review si Janela.
I've already
Kaibigan
face
ko.
revealed to them. They already know my face.
Hindi pa. Sa channel ko to, bra.
I want to eat my other food. I wait.
Okay, so, after this, maglalaro kami ng Dandy's World.
So this will be our last video. Just joking. Pagkatapos nito, magagawa kami ng...
Kasama to sa Dandy's World.
Hindi kasi bawal malong sa akin.
Oo nga, ano? By the way, up ka na. Just kidding.
Bye-bye!
I see Pomni!
Si Pami! Wait lang, gusto ko pa magbili.
So, bye-bye guys.
Wait.
Kapatid ko yun. Bye!